Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get rare items like the PS5, the 30 series graphics card, the Xbox, and that stuff. Well, first of all, you might ask, why are these items out of stock? Well, there's bots and scalpers buying these items out of stock and reselling them for extreme prices. For example, the PS5, the digital edition, usually sells for 400. Over here on this website, they're being sold for $700. The 30 series graphics card, the 3060 Ti, retails for about $400. Over here, they're selling it for $1,200. So to get these items for normal prices, you need to buy them from the original website from Best Buy. Now you might say, how do I buy these? They're always sold out. Well, we have over here an application called Hotstock. Now this is not sponsored, by the way. So Hotstock is a real-time product tracker, and what you can do is find an item you want, like the PS5, and make it alert you when it's back in stock. You can select what stores you want it back in stock on, and it's gonna alert you on your phone with the Hotstock app when it's back in stock. So, for example, if the PS5 were to come back in stock, it would send me a notification alerting me it's back on Best Buy. Now, once it comes back in stock, once you get the notification from Hot Stock, you need to be ready to buy it right away. So what you want to do is create a Best Buy account, and you want to store your address, you want to store your credit card, you want to store everything on it. And once you have all your information on it, your credit card and everything, all you will need is your confirmation code on the credit card, your 4-digit pin on your credit card. Uh, and with this, all you need is to put it in during checkout once you have a Best Buy account set up. So once it comes back in stock, this is gonna be a yellow button, back in stock. So you want to click buy it now. It's gonna tell you they have a different method to purchase stuff. So what you want to do is just click buy it now, and it's gonna put you in a queue. In this queue, you do not want to refresh your browser or do anything. Just wait. After waiting, it's going to turn back into stock with a buy it now button. Just click the buy it now button, and then you'll be able to get yourself whatever product you want. For example, we have the PS5 retailing for 400, people selling it right here for 700, and the 3080 people are selling this for up to $2,000. So it's not worth it purchasing it like this. Just find the item. For example, I want the 3080. You find it up in Best Buy, it's $700. You can just go to Hotstock over here, type in the product you want to get alerted for example, the 3080, and then it's going to alert you when it's back on stock. You just want to click alert me, and then you want to download it on your phone so you can get mobile notifications. And then when it comes back in stock, just click on the notification, and it's going to take you to the app, to the Best Buy app, where all your information should be stored within your account, so it should be a buy it now purchase. So thanks for watching, and if this video helps you get a graphics card in the future, because it only comes out like every while, like every time it gets sold out, you have to wait like a week or two and it comes back in. But if this video helps you in any way, please make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching.